Hello students, today chapter number 3 Goodwill second lecture. In last lecture, theoretical portion of this chapter is completed. Now, today we are starting with the examples, and all of you know, if you have remembered last lecture, 4 marker question will be asked from this chapter. And we are now covering our 4 marks. But for that we need at least 2 lectures. Today we are covering simple sums because here in this chapter 4 methods are there. Now from that 2 methods we are doing today, and then after 2 methods in next lecture, and then after over. So today we are talking about only 2 methods, and which is easiest method in this chapter. Now remember 4 methods of valuation of goodwill. First, average profit method, or we can say simple average profit method. Second, weighted average profit method, and third, super profit method. Fourth, remember, capitalization method. So these are 4 methods. These are 4 methods to calculate value of goodwill, to find value of goodwill. So today we are talking about only 2 methods. First 2 methods, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. And for that here I have taken 3 sums, 3 illustrations which are given in your textbook, not my sums. My sums we are doing later. First of all, understanding the sums which is given in your textbook. Now illustration number 1, illustration number 2 and illustration number 4. These 3 sums is related to simple average method and weighted average method. Now to clear this thing, what is the difference between simple and weighted average? When we need to use these 2 methods, which are the situations? In which situation simple average is applicable, and in which situation weighted average is applicable? That is very important to understand. Now for that I am explaining you one thing. Try to understand. First of all, goodwill is depend on what? Sir, goodwill is 100% depend on profit. On profit base we are finding goodwill. Now simple average and weighted average, we are giving weight. Now whom we can give weight? So observe profits of the companies. Observe profit of the companies and then try to give weight or not. Decide to whom we can give weight, to whom we cannot give weight. Now try to understand. Here 3 sums are given, 3 questions are given, and see profit of these 3 companies. Now see here, number of years 2011-12 given, 12-13, 13-14, 14-15, 15-16. So 5 years information is given. Now see profits of that 5 years. So first year profit is 2 lakh rupees. Second year profit 2,10,000. So profit increase. Now third year 1,90,000. So profit decrease. Now again profit increase 2,15,000. Again profit increase 2,20,000. So sir, first increase, then decrease, then 2 times increase. So this way profit is going on. Now check second situation. In second sum, what is given? See, in 12-13, profit is 1 lakh rupees. Second, 13-14, profit 1,20,000, increase. So in 14-15, there is loss 40,000 rupees. Whenever information given in brackets, bracket means loss, minus, bracket means minus, minus means loss. So here 40,000 rupees is loss occurred by the company, occurred by the firm. Here firm, we are talking about the firm. So occurred by the firm 1415. In 1415, 40,000 rupees is the loss. Now 1516, so again profit 60,000. So in both situations, so profit is not stable. First increase, decrease, then increase. Here, different situation. Very much variation is in firm. Increase, directly loss. Then again profit. So here variation is more, here variation is less. So that is the comparison of these two firms. Now we are talking about third sum. In third sum, see, 12, 13, 80,000. 13, 14, 1,20,000. 14, 15, 1,40,000. So 80,000, 1,20,000, 1,40,000, 1,60,000, 1,70,000. And year wise, every year profit is increasing. So sir, this company, this firm is growing. Every year, this company is growing. But here, some variations are there. Now, I told you, from these three sums, we have to apply simple average or weighted average. If in the question, clearly information given, try to understand. If in the question, clearly information given, use simple average method, then you have to use simple average method. If clearly given, use weighted average method, then always whatever given, follow it. Find by weighted average method. Whatever method is given to you, you can follow it. But if information is not available and written, use appropriate method to find goodwill. Then what you need to do? So you have to decide weighted average method is there or simple average method is there. So at that time you have to decide which method you can use. Now understand the name of methods and try to apply in these three situations. I am talking about only weighted average. Weight means we can say vajan. We can give weight to that particular firm. So from these three firms, whom you can give weight, think about it by taking profit considerations. See profit and then decide whom you can give weight. So sir, here somewhat variations are there. Sometimes increase, decrease. Both situation is there. Here more variations are there. But if we are seeing profit of third company, then we can say, sir, it is every year growing. If we are talking about third sum, then every year growing. And that's why if we need to give weight, then give weight to this third firm. Don't give weight first. And we cannot give weight here. Not at all. So here variations are very, very much. And that's why. So in this way, we can make one rule. If profit of the firm every year increasing only, if profit of the firm every year increasing only, then weight should be given to that particular firm. And if profit is not continuously increase, at that time we cannot give weight. So at that time we have to use simple average method. So in these two situations, for these two firms we cannot give weight. And in third situation we can give weight. Now this is the clarification when we can give weight and when we cannot give weight. When simple average method can be used, when weighted average method can be used. So this is the clarification. But when you have to apply your mind only and only when information clearly not given. Suppose in this situation, in these two situations, information given, find weighted average profit, goodwill. Find goodwill on the basis of weighted average method. Suppose that information given in these two situations clearly, at that time you have to give weight. All of you know, sir, how we can give weight? There is not stability of the profit, but given in the equation, so you have to give weight. If not given in the equation, then apply your logics. If profit increase, give weight. If profit not stable, increase decrease is done in the profit, at that time also don't give weight. So when you have to apply your mind, when information is not clearly given in the example, and if clear information given in the example, then apply their information. Don't apply your mind. So if you need to apply your mind, increase, give weight, increase, decrease, or not a stable, variations are there, simple average. Now we are starting with these three sums, and these three sums are very easy sum in whole accountancy. That is the situation which I am telling in every chapter, but really these are the easiest sum in whole accountancy. Now we can see. Now first of all, what we need to find? So first read the question. Calculate goodwill based on 3-year purchase. Sir, calculate goodwill based on 3-year purchase of last 5-year average. Now last 5-year average of what? So simple, profit, because goodwill is calculated on the basis of profit only. Now this sum is written in short. In your textbook, detailed informations are given that you can read from textbook, but main information which is required, that is written here. So try to understand. So goodwill is based on 3-year purchase. How many year purchase? That is very important. We will discuss later. So 3-year purchase. So first of all, consider 3-year purchase. Yes, sir, 3-year purchase. Last 5-year average. So we need to find average of 5 years. We need to find average of 5 years. So your 5-year information is given. So clear given. Profit of 5 years. 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16. 5-year information is available. So first of all, we need to find profit average. Profits average. Now average means what? Sir, simple, X bar. Remember X bar in statistics. X bar is equal to sigma X upon M. Here profit is one type of variable, X. So total of this 5 divided by 5. That is my average profit. So now here simple average method is applicable. So how you can say simple average is applicable? Last 5-year average. Not given weighted average. And even average means maybe sir weighted, maybe simple. Here clear information not given. So apply your logic. Sir, first profit increase, profit decrease, then increase. No stability, no growing continuously. And that's why apply simple average. So first of all, we are making total of this and finding on that total basis average of average profit. So if you are making total of this 5 profit, then in calculator please make total and tell me. I don't have a calculator. You calculate and tell me. Your calculator answer must be 10,35,000 rupees. if you are making total of this 3, this 5, then total profit 10,35,000 rupees is the answer. Now, next thing. Sir, we don't need 10,35,000 total profit. Actually, what we need? We need average profit first. Because last 5-year average, on that basis, we need to find goodwill. So, first of all, again we are finding average profit. So, write down average profit. So, now what is meant by average profit? All of we know total profit divided by number of years. Sir, here 5 years are there. And total profit is 10,35,000. So, here I am writing total profit divided by number of years. That becomes the formula. So, you have to write to get full marks. So, average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So, total profit is 10,35,000 divided by. So, number of years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number of years 5. So, average profit is equal to 10,35,000 divided by 5. And you will get answer. 5 2s are 10. 0, 5 7s are 35. 2,07,000. So this 2,07,000 rupees is your average profit. So 2,07,000 is the average profit. Now think, sir, what you need? Think what you need. Sir, we need goodwill. It is not a goodwill. It is not a goodwill. So how we can find goodwill? Now, 3-year purchase information is used. How we can find goodwill? So goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. So on this basis we can find goodwill. So now what is the value of goodwill? So I can write here goodwill. See please. Goodwill is equal to average profit multiply with number of years purchase. Average profit into number of year purchase is my value of goodwill. So sir, here 3-year purchase information is given. So first of all, write average profit. Sir, average profit is 2,07,000. So first of all, 2,07,000 into number of year purchase into 3, and whatever answer is there, that is your value of goodwill. Sir, now find answer. $6,21,000 is the value of goodwill. So 6,21,000 is the value of goodwill. Simple. So in this way, we can find value of goodwill. So on the basis of simple average method, first of all, sir, find total of profit. Total profit divided by number of years, average profit. On this average profit basis, we can find value of goodwill. So average profit into number of year purchase. Number of year purchase information is 3. So average profit 207 into 3. You will get 6,21,000. That is the value of goodwill. Now again I am repeating one thing. Sir, when value of goodwill is calculated, whenever change in the P&L ratio arises between the partners, then we are calculating value of goodwill. When changes arises in the P&L ratio. In last lecture, in theoretical portion, we have discussed this. So that you have to remember. And in this question, illustration number 1, detail given. Right? That you need to read from your textbook. Now, so one question is clear. And if you are doing this question, you will get 4 marks. If you are doing this question, you will get 4 marks. So simplest one sum. And you will get 4 marks. Even we are talking about here only first 2 methods. Then after 2 methods is remaining. In that 2 methods also, what we need to find? Average profit is compulsory to find. It may be average or it may be weighted average. Simple average may be also there. Weighted average may be also there. But that is compulsorily we need to find. In all the 4 methods, average profit finding is compulsory. So, first sum is clear. Sir, here also we can say calculate goodwill based on 5-year purchase. Sir, most IMP 5-year purchase. How many year purchase? Sir, 5-year purchase. So multiply with 5 when we are finding goodwill. Like this. 3-year purchase, then average profit into number of year purchase 3. Same way here. 5-year purchase, so average profit into multiply with 5. So this is done at last. First of all, we need to find average. Now average of what? So here given. Has 5-year purchase of the average of last 4 years. Of the average of last 4 years. It means 4 years information is given to you. So 4-year information is given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to find average of this 4. So why you have taken this sum? Only and only this sum is taken by me because of loss. Otherwise both are same. Whenever loss is given, then when you are making total of this 4, you have to deduct this 40,000 rupees. You don't need to add it. To understand this thing only, I have taken this sum. So, again this is the simple average because clarification given average of last 4 years. So, weighted average is not given. If you consider, sir, clarification is not there, then apply your logic. Sir, first increase, decrease, then increase. So, stability is not there. And whenever stability is not there, then simple. So, total of this. So, if you are making total, then try to understand bracket given means loss is there. So, it is deducted. So, total of these two first. 1 lakh plus 1,20,000. Sir, 2,20,000. Skip 40,000. First of all, add this 60,000. So 220 plus 60, 280. So 2,80,000. Now from 2,80,000, we are deducting 40,000 because it is a loss. So 2,80,000 minus 40,000. Your answer 2,40,000. So this is the important thing. What students are making mistake? Students are doing first of all total of this all. Means 1 lakh plus 120, 220. 220 plus 40, 260. 260 plus 60, 320. Then deducting minus 40. So answer becomes wrong. And that's why this sum is taken. Otherwise, this both sum are easy. If you can understand this, then this will be easy. So first of all, again, average profit is required, so total profit is not needed. So first of all, find average profit. So again, average profit formula. Average profit is equal to, sir, total profit divide by number of years. Total profit divided by number of years. Sir, total profit is given 2,40,000 and divide by number of years. Sir, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years are there. So 4. Now answer of this division. If you are finding, so then find 2,40,000 divide by 4. You will get answer 60,000. Six fours are simple. 2,40,000 divided by 4. 6 fours are 24. So 60,000 is your average profit. Now, sir, I am not interested in average profit. Yes, I need to use it. But our target to find goodwill only. So what is the value of goodwill? So sir, if we need to find value of goodwill, then goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Sir, average profit is this 60,000 rupees. Multiply number of years. Sir, number of year 5 year purchase information is given. So into 5. 6 5 is 30. So 3 lakh rupees is the value of goodwill. So in this way, second simple average sum goodwill calculation is very easy. Now, two sums of simple average. Last sum clearly given 3-year purchase. So average profit is multiplied with 3. 3-year purchase means multiply with 3. But first we need to find average profit. Now which average? So clearly given weighted average profit of last 5 years. So sir, 5-year information is given and we need to find weighted average profit on the basis of 5-year purchase. Sorry, on the basis of 3-year purchase. 5-year average. 5-year average and we need to find goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. So first of all, give weight. Sir, how we can give weight? So your first step, first see years. Year perfect given or not? First 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, perfect years is given. Then how we can give weight? So right, weight means W. Weight means W. And give weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of this weight 15. So sigma W is equal to 15. So this is the weight. First of all, we need to give weight to particular years. So weight is given. Now, here simple average profit is there. Here weighted average profit is there. So here we need to find weighted average profit. Now sir, how we can find weighted average profit? So weighted profit, we need weighted profit divide by weight. Weighted average profit is equal to what? Weighted profit divided by weight. Weighted profit divided by weight. So the weight, yes sir, weight. Total of weight 15. So divide by 15 fix. Divide by 15 fix. And always you need to give weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever years are given. But sir, what is weighted profit? Sir, simple. By considering its name, we can understand. What we need to understand? Sir, weighted profit What its name? Weighted profit. Weight into profit means weighted profit. So sir, this is the weight, this is the profit, multiplication of this two, weighted profit. Simple. So find weighted profit. So this is the weight. Weight is 1. Profit is 80,000. 1 into 80,000. 80,000. So second, weight into profit. So 2 into 12,000. 1,20,000. Two lakh 40,000. Sir, third one. 1,40,000 into 3. Sir, 15, 16. 1,60,000 into 4. And whenever you are finding last one, so 85. 1,70,000 into 5. 8,50,000. And total of this all, if you are making total of this all, 80,000 plus 2,40,000, 4,20,000, 6,40,000, 8,50,000, and total of that is 22,30,000. $22,30,000. That is your total weighted average, total weighted profit. So total weighted profit divided by total weight. So total weighted profit is, sir, 22,30,000 divided by total weight. Sir, total weight is 15. So divide by 15. And if you are calculating in your calculator, 22,30,000 divided by 15, answer is 1,48,666.666666 continuously going on. 1,48,666. That will be your answer. So it is my weighted average profit. Now on this weighted average profit, what we need to find? Sir, we need to find goodwill, and goodwill is very easy to calculate. Simple, sir. How we can find goodwill? So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Sir, weighted average profit is this. 1,48,666.67. We can round off it. And then after multiply with number of years. So the number of year, 3-year purchase information is given. So multiply with 3. And then after you can get value of goodwill. Simple. If simple average method is there, simple average profit into number of year purchase. Here also simple average profit into number of year purchase. Here weighted average is there. So weighted average profit into number of year purchase. And here you need to find 1,48,666.6666 into 3. And you will get answer 4,46,001 rupees. So in this way, you can calculate goodwill. So today we have completed first two methods. Simple average method, for that we have done two sums, and weighted average method. And if this sum will be asked in your examination, you will get 4 marks. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture with remaining two methods. Bye-bye.